Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to the AI Holly and Market Update for Thursday, July the 26th. Well, let's jump in and take a look and see what happened today. And you can see the IWM had another green day today. We've been in this range here for the past little bit, so looks like we're just consolidating. A little bit of a choppy session. We'll see what happens as the days go on. Dow had a very nice day. Let me back this chart out a little bit, and you can see we've surpassed this recent high and closed above it. Closed just above this recent high, and we're ready to attack this one. So it's looking good. We had this big green candle to start with, and then kind of a little bit of a chop in this range as the day went on. The spiders, knocking on, the highs of yesterday again, and looks like they're just building some strength, but a choppy day there as well. The IBB had a little bit of we had some gapping here, gap down from the open, and a little bit of a choppy session. But the bottom line is it closed just below where yesterday closed, so not a lot of change there. And the Qs, we had the gap down today, but then they kind of just stayed and consolidated there all day today, so not a whole lot. There, once again, we'll see what happens as the week comes to a close tomorrow. Now let's take a look at Holly and see how Holly did. The original Holly Grail had 31 trades, profit of 86 cents, but her risk-on profit was 462. And you can take a look at this risk-on, and boy, the trades she picked were just very, very nice. And you can see here she had a mix of long and short trades. And then on the Holly 2.0, she had 17 trades and lost 28 cents. And you can see the chop within this Holly. And on the risk on, she did make $1.45. And once again, if you look at this histogram, you can see the choppiness there. Holly Neo had 26 trades for a profit of 96 cents, and she was pretty flat throughout the day on the histogram on the risk off. On the risk on, she made $1.05, just a little bit more. But you can see here there was quite a bit of opportunity here. If you use that man and machine and you kind of were in and out of a few of the trades, or if you held the right ones, you could have done quite well. If we take a look at how it all totaled up, Holly had 74 trades between the three of them. $1.54 profit, $7.12 risk-on profit. That's her best risk-on profit for any day this week. For the week, she's running at 218 trades, $4.40 profit, $12.09 risk-on profit. So Holly is maneuvering through this market pretty well, and we'll take a look here at the Neo. And you can see here her best trade was, HAL, Halliburton, and that was a long trade. And you can see here after it gapped down and 3 days of red, she called it out nice and early. And, nice 57-cent profit, 81 cents risk on, and that was the best in both categories. Let's go ahead, take a look at Holly 2.0 and see what happened within that one, if there's any notable trades. And the risk on, she had AAOI, 45 cents was the best profit for risk off. And once again, you can see after several days down, we had the doji candle yesterday, and she says, hey, let's take this long, 45 cents risk on, only 39 cents. And BANC, she was out even on the risk off, and risk on 58 cents. So that was a very nice trade. And Holly Grail, if we take a look at that, let's see what we come up with here. She had 67-cent profit on YUMC, and you can see here, had a big green spike, but then she called it short. And from the time she called it, there was no pain at all. 67-cent profit. She got out because of a timed exit, but had you held on, you could have made $1.80 profit. And once again, let's see here, that was the best in both categories, in both categories. So that's your Holly trades for today. Yesterday I told you about the trading room, so I'm going to bring that in again real quick. And here is the link to that. It is Monday through Friday, 9 to 3:30 p.m. It is a group of traders. It's hosted by Barry Einerson, and he is going to tell you all about this software. He's going to call out his trades. It's not a room where you follow him, but there's a lot of good activities going on there. It is free. You just need to log on to this link right here. It'll be in the YouTube comments, and you can sign up for that. It is totally free. Other rooms are charging a lot of money, and ours is free. Now, if you want to get a daily recap video about what his trades were and what went on in the room, right here is the link for that. All you need to do is sign up for it, and that way, if you ever have a day where you're not able to be in the room, or if you just want to see a recap of what happened, maybe before you decide to try out the software, this would be the link there. It is case sensitive. Once again, I'll share that in the YouTube comments so you can go right to it. And as always, you can follow me at my blog at bullseyetrader.com. You can like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter or StockTwits. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate that. Maybe leave a comment in the comment section. Maybe even share it with some friends so that they can see it. And if it's the first time you're seeing this video, any videos from me, feel free to hit that subscribe button. We always love having new subscribers. I want to thank you for your time this evening and watching, and God bless.